do we need goals? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and hard desires without giving up. And in the previous video, I shared with us what a goal is. And in this video, I want to answer the second question before we go deeper into setting our goals for the next couple of months and year to come. And the second question is, why do we need goals? There is one old saying that without vision, people perish. In other words, if you don't have something to strive for, if you don't have something to wake up in the morning and to go for, it's like you're dead. And if you look around, there are a lot of people, they're just surviving in their life. They're not excitement about life at all. And one of the reasons might be they don't have a goal. So in this video, I want to share 7 main benefits and reasons why do we need to set up goals. And the first one is that goal setting process helps us to be clear and to be focused. It's incredible when you have a goal and when you're clear about this goal, it really makes you focus on all the business of the day, all the tasks you need to do. This goal setting and this process keeps you really on focus and it keeps all the distractions away. And you know where you're going for and you know what you're striving for. The second thing is motivation and inspiration. It's incredible how when you have a goal and this gives you boost in your soul, in your mind, and you can stay up late, you can get up early. It's absolutely fine. You're full of energy because you have this goal. And I remember this was the case with me when I had to open my dancing studio. It was incredible feeling, excitement all over the place. And this is what happens in our life when we have goal setting and we have some outcome we're after. The third thing is prioritization. We live in the busiest time ever, and we can be really busy all day long. But having goals helps us to prioritize our tasks and to know what we do and what we don't do. And prioritize tasking is helping us to really focus and go more to achieving our goals and our outcomes, to see what we have in our life. The fourth thing is measurement and progress. Once we have our goal setting done and after we are chasing our goals, the measurement is really important. Then we can easily measure our progress, and then we can easily celebrate our progress, which is kind of important as well. The fifth thing that is happening after that is that we are self-developing. We are growing ourselves. Setting up goals helps us to develop new skills, new abilities, and this helps us to grow personally, which is a benefit, big one. keeps us on our toes so we can keep growing and keep developing, which is amazing. The sixth thing is that we are much more accountable. First of all, in front of us, when we take a decision to change our life and to go further away and to have specific outcome in our life, this is accountability. This is a promise that we are making to ourselves, which is incredible. Also, we can have some accountability buddies, someone or a group of people, peers, who can help us to really stay focused on our goals, and this helps us as well. And the seventh big benefit of setting up goals is increasing productivity. You can imagine if you have a goal, you are clear about it, you're motivated, you focus on it, you're chasing it. All this helps you to prioritize your time, your energy, your focus, your mind, all the resources, all of what you have just in this goal and this result you're after. And this will make you much more productive. You won't be so destructive. You won't be just wasting your time day in out and day in, but you'll be really productive. And this is a big benefit of setting up goals. So these were the 7 main benefits for setting up goals. And from the next video, we are going deeper and we're becoming serious. So I can encourage you, make it practical. And all this goal setting process will make you to make practical, all the inspirations inside what you want, your achievements, what you want to achieve, the results you want into your life, and it will be make it absolutely practical. And as I mentioned earlier, the method we'll be sharing together in this journey is SMART goals, which is acronym, and we will start exploring and getting deeper in all of these different letters. What is their meaning and how do we apply it in our life? And I will finish this video up by saying this: it is impossible to change your life. I remember watching Jim Rohn's videos, and I was astonished about his philosophy, and it's really incredible to understand that you can change your life, and your life can be changed when you change. And in all this journey, I hope that all of us will change for better. All of us will change just to benefit and really have a better life, so we can contribute more and share with others. And I'm really happy to have this opportunity to share my experience with you, so to help you grow in your personal life. So it is possible to change your life, to have the outcomes you need to have. It's just a specific process, and we have to go through it, and we have to do it. So thank you for your time. What is S standing for? We will explore in the next video. Thank you for your time. Have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye.